All right, welcome to January 2019 on Spray Paint Art Secrets. This month we have a beautiful painting that I co-painted with Gerardo, and this is from the archives. I kind of found it there and I thought, wow, this is really beautiful, and we haven't posted this yet. So this is a two-part video painting because there's so many different effects, and Gerardo's going to show you how he creates those really planets that has such depth. I love his planets. There's just something so special about what he does that I haven't seen any other spray painter do, and just he does simple things, but he does them with such depth. So I'll be explaining to you step by step what he's doing and how he's creating all of these beautiful effects, and then I will be finishing the painting with some unique effects that you're not going to find anywhere else, that involve some new and interesting materials that will allow you to make all these pretty little comets and stars and just add a whole lot of detail to your spray painting. And then of course we're going to seal it off. But just look at all those details. Look at the light coming from the planet. Look at those comets. And then we're going to move on and we're going to do sort of a winter scene, being that it's winter and all. And there's so many great things that you can learn from this painting. Notice those trees on the side with all the snow on them, all the grass and the tool that we use to make all that grass. So we just start out by making a pattern in the sky, spraying down. I used purple and green. I really like using purple and green together, but you can use whatever colors you want to make your magical night. And then there's some interesting sort of nebula effects that I added on top of that, and I'll show you how you can do that using just a little bit of white paint and a little bit of clear coat. Of course, our stars and our planet. I like to use this like black and white colored planet on this colored background. I think the black and white planet stands out really well in front of all those colors. And then there's this wonderful tool that I got that's actually used for deck painting that you can make some great grass with. There's all these methods about painting with paper that we use to make the trees, and I'll be teaching you step by step how to do all of this, and this is all in Spray Paint Art Secrets. And that is the website where you can learn all of the original spray paint art techniques from Mexico, and also all of the cutting edge stuff that's coming out that people are inventing, that I am inventing, stuff that Gerardo began and I am finishing up, stuff that comes from some friends of mine who are continuing to explore spray paint art, and just anything that people ask me to teach them how to do, or that I see that I'm like, wow, people have to learn that. It all gets put on the website in the form of video lessons, and you get to download it and keep it and learn it. So in this painting we're exploring a couple of themes. One is the rays of the sun peeking out from the side of a planet. So we've got that cool blue planet with that bright orange sun peeking out along the side, and how do we really bring that out? How do we really make that shine and make that something you can't stop looking at in a painting? And we've also got the Milky Way effects with the galaxy and the comets. And so whatever kind of artist you are, whether you're a spray paint artist or you're an acrylic artist or an oil paint artist, or even a watercolor artist looking to just add some cool stuff to what you know how to do, this is great. I mean, you can actually use this as underpainting for either your oils or your acrylics if you wanted to. You can work on top of this with oil pastels, which is actually an amazing thing to do. And watercolor techniques are often involved in using random things that happen, and that's what this technique specializes in. It's using the randomness of the paint, of the paper, of the palette knife, of all the things that happen as you improvise and as you spray delicate layers of transparent color and just bring out the beauty of your painting using simple tools and unexpected materials that you probably never explored before. So come check out Spray Paint Art Secrets, spraypaintartsecrets.com, and come download your free lesson and get your free materials list. And if you have any questions, you can email me, Gerardo Amor, at spraypaintartsecrets@gmail.com. See you inside. Ciao.